So guys, one AI tool that I use a lot is NotebookLM, and the reason for that is because it's capable of doing so many different things when it comes to building things online, and most people use it as a basic research tool, but there's actually a way that you can set it up so that it can guide you step by step through building your own digital product store. And in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that goes into it, from using NotebookLM to help with the launch, to generating traffic, and even helping you scale a digital product as a complete beginner. So we're going to get straight into it. And just to reiterate what I just said, I'm going to be using NotebookLM today to build a digital product from scratch. And I'm going to show you exactly how I can get it from the point of not knowing what digital product I want to focus on to eventually having a landing page ready for customers to visit. And there's so many different digital products that are out there. We've got digital planners, we've got things like spreadsheets, trackers, Notion templates, audio files. But the one that I'm going to be focusing on as a demonstration in today's video is going to be ebooks. And the only reason for that is because by me showing you how I'm going to build an ebook using NotebookLM, you're going to understand the concept so that you can go away and use it to build whatever you want. And if you are someone that is thinking about focusing on ebooks, it could work out. Of course, it depends on how you position it, because if I just go over to this site that I came across, they've currently been ranked in Google for a specific keyword. I believe it was parenting. And the way that I was able to know that they're doing somewhat well is because I copied their URL just like this. And then I went over to this tool over here called Digital Maker AI. And by the way, I'm only showing you this just so that you have an understanding of the potential of what a digital product can do for you. So what I did is came over here to the competitor analyzer feature. I just pasted the URL in there just like that and then clicked on analyze. And instantly it came back with all of this data when it comes to the organic traffic that they were able to get, how many different items they've got listed, the average price, as well as the potential income that they get in on a monthly basis. So yeah, this is what someone is doing because they decided to launch different ebooks. If we just scroll down over here, we can see all of the different ones that they've got listed in their store right now. So first things first, what you need to do is just head over to NotebookLM. Very straightforward to find it. Once you're on the home page, you're just going to click into this. What it's then going to do is ask you for a source. Now, most of you by now should already know exactly how NotebookLM functions. It's not like ChatGPT or any other AI tool. It's very similar in the sense that you can have a conversation with it, but the main difference is that you're going to need to give it a source document or source reference for it to refer to. And this is a really powerful thing, because what this means is that if you're able to give your NotebookLM a knowledge base, it's always going to look at that, give you an answer. And of course, if you give it the right knowledge base, you're going to be able to program it when it comes to telling you exactly how you can build your chosen digital product. And the way that you can set this up is by clicking into copy text and get a custom prompt so that you can paste it in here. Now the custom prompt is going to come from Digital Maker AI. If I haven't already mentioned, you're going to be able to access it for completely free, linked down below. It should be the top link in my description. And once you're here, you just need to make sure that you're on the prompt builder section and then click into NotebookLM. It's going to take you through a series of different questions. For example, what type of digital product are you looking to make? Of course, it's going to be ebook. What's your skill level? I'm going to go with advanced. Why do I want to make it? To generate income. What type of niche do I have knowledge in? Today, I'm going to go with artificial intelligence. This is something that I'm really interested in. Click on next. How do I want to sell it? We're going to go with an AI built website. Next, what is the color scheme? Let's just go with minimal and modern. How do I plan to promote it? Let's go with social media today and then click on generate prompt. Okay, there we go. So it's now come back with the full prompt. I'm going to be able to copy it like this, go back over to NotebookLM, paste it in there like that, and then click on insert. And then what it should do from there is give you a summary based on the questions that you just answered in Digital Maker AI. So just confirm it, read through it, and then type the word next. And what I'm going to do is speed this part of the video up because I've already gone through this entire process. You're going to have to answer some questions. It's going to take you through everything you need to know, all of the different prompts that you need, all of the different websites that you need when it comes to building your chosen digital product. You can see it on the screen right now. This is what the whole process is going to look like when it comes to you going from start to finish. So I've already got the questions they asked me as well as my answers, my selections, but we're going to go through it bit by bit right now instead of me waiting for NotebookLM to load every single question, just so that I can point out some important things that you need to know. So let's start off with one of the first things they asked me, which is this one over here. What title did I want, or what was the theme of the ebook that I was looking to make? So as you can see, it's going to give you different choices that you can choose from, but I didn't like any of them. You can always ask it for more ideas, but I already know which one I wanted to go with when it came to the ebook that I was looking to make, which was ChatGPT for small business owners. So I just told it exactly what I'm trying to do, typed the word next, and I now programmed it with that new ebook title. And then from there, it was now able to give me a custom prompt for me to copy and paste into an ebook maker. The link to the ebook maker is going to be this one. It's a tool called Gamma. And once you click into that link, it's going to take you to a similar page that looks like this. So for me to make an ebook, and if you're following along and you want to make an ebook too, you're just going to click into document, make sure that you're on the A4 option, select how many pages you want in it. I'm just going to leave it on 10 pages for now, just to make this process quick. And I'm just going to paste the prompt from NotebookLM in there just like that, and then click on generate outline. And what it's now done is come back with a complete outline of what's going to go into the ebook. So from here, I can now read through everything, make sure that I'm happy with it. If I'm happy, I can leave it as it is. If I want to change anything in any of these different sections, I'm going to be able to do that over here. But for now, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to click on detailed when it comes to the information in the ebook. I'm going to select my theme as well as the image source. I'm going to leave it on AI images, and I'm going to click on generate. And what's going to happen from there is that Gamma is going to go straight to work to start writing out the entire ebook. And what you can see on the screen, I'm not speeding it up in any way, shape or form. I'm not typing anything. It's literally writing out this entire ebook right before our very eyes. So Gamma is definitely one of the best ebook makers at the time of me making this video. Super efficient, straightforward and easy to use. So from this point, it's just going to be a case of waiting for it to complete. If you selected a large amount of pages, then of course it's going to take longer than if you selected a lower amount of pages. But whatever the case is, I'm just going to leave it, and I'm going to go back over to NotebookLM and continue the process. So I've told it that I've completed the ebook. I've typed in next. As you can see, the next thing is brand and positioning. It's giving me different ideas that I can choose from when it comes to the brand name of the website that I'm going to build. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with this one, AI Automate Pro. My advice is to always make sure that you double check if the domain is available first. But even if it's not, you can always go back and change it later on. But I'm going to go with this one. So all I need to do is just copy it, paste it in there, type in next, and let it know that this is the one that I'm going to be moving forward with. So now that it knows what ebook I want to make, it also knows the brand name that I'm going with. The next thing is for me to start the process of building out the landing page or the complete website. So it's giving me, again, the prompt that I'm going to be able to use, as well as the AI website builder link, which is going to be with Hostinger. So once you click into that link, it's going to take you to a similar page that looks like this. Now, Hostinger is one of the best choices when it comes to building an AI website. Reason for that is because you're going to get up to 85% off. It's definitely one of the best website builders out there, because if you click on claim deal, you come over here to the business website builder, you're going to see that you can build up to 50 different websites at a low cost. So if you want to test out multiple different websites all at the same time, you're going to have the option to do that. If you want to build a website in a specific niche, maybe you want to build a different website in a different niche, this is definitely the plan to go with. And of course, it has so many different AI features, and I'm going to show you that as we move forward. So all I need to do is just click on choose plan. And then what Hostinger is going to do is that it's going to take you over to their new and improved page when it comes to building out websites using AI. So you just got to paste the prompt that you got from NotebookLM. Let me just get it now, make sure that I got it, paste it in there like this, and then click on enter. Okay, there we go. So it's come back with this website for me to now start selling this ebook that I'm making with the help of NotebookLM. So this is what the landing page looks like. You're going to see that it's going to have a placeholder product because of course you haven't uploaded it yet. There's going to be certain things that you need to do on the back end before you make the site go live. For example, one of them is making sure that you've set up the best payment method for your situation as well as your potential customers. And to quickly show you what I'm talking about, if I just click on connect payment method, there's going to be different options that you can choose from, but one of the best ones is going to be Stripe. With Stripe, as you can see, you're going to be able to select all of these different payment methods. I would advise to also connect PayPal as well, because a lot of people still use that when it comes to making payments. So just select your location when it comes to wherever you live. So if it's the United States, let me just type that in. So yeah, this is basically what you're going to see. Of course, depending on your location, you may be limited when it comes to payment methods, but just come over here, select your currency, select your location, and continue the process when it comes to applying for your Stripe or PayPal account. And of course, it goes without saying that when it comes to making any changes to the website, you're going to be able to easily do that. If there's anything you want to move around, you're going to be able to do it just like that. If you want to update an image or a section, you can do that. If I just click into this, click on edit section, I can replace image with all of their free images that they have over here. So let me just type in ChatGPT. Okay, so as you can see, these are the different images that they've got when it comes to this use case that I'm working with right now, selling this ChatGPT ebook. They've got all of these different free images that you're going to be able to use. You can upload your own image, and you can also use AI when it comes to generating a brand new image. So yeah, the possibilities are truly endless when it comes to the changes that you can make to the site that you've built. But if we just go back over to Gamma, I just want to make sure that things are done. Okay, so here we go. This is the ebook that I was able to make. Everything has been completed. And the good thing about Gamma, if you don't know, you can make changes to it. So if you want to make any change to any section, you're going to be able to do it. If I want to rephrase this, I'm going to be able to use AI to help me do that. If I want to manually change it, I could do that as well. If there's any image that I want to change, I can do it. But I'm not going to bore you on how to edit your ebook because it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do once you're happy with the final version is click into these three dots, come over here to export, and you're going to be able to export it as a PDF. So once you've finished that part of the process, you've got your ebook made, you've got your website made, you can now go back over to NotebookLM, and it's going to guide you through the next step, which is going to be the monetization and pricing section. So you're going to have to, of course, come up with a price for the digital product that you're working with. And because NotebookLM knows everything about it so far, in terms of what it's about, in terms of your customers, in terms of all of these different aspects, it's going to be able to give you a monetization strategy when it comes to the core product and the price, and ways that you're going to be able to bundle it with other digital products for you to make it more valuable. So as you can see right here, it's recommending that I use this price. So if I wanted to now list this product on the website that I've built, for me to do that, I just need to come over here to where it says store, click into products, and it's going to take me to the placeholder product that it automatically added to the site. So I would recommend that you just delete that. From there, you now need to add a product just like this. It's going to give you all of these different options, but the one that we're working with is of course digital products. So I'm just going to select it like that. And you're going to notice once you get to this point that you're going to need a main cover image. So once you get your main cover image, you're going to be able to use the fast and easy option when it comes to Hostinger, automatically populating the title, subtitle, as well as the description. Now for you to get your main cover image that's going to go on the product landing page, I would recommend going back over to Digital Maker AI, because there's a new feature that's been added, which is the image maker feature. So when you click into it, you're going to see these different options. You can either make a logo, Instagram post, Facebook ad image, or what you can do is make a main cover image that's going to go onto your website. So if I just select it like that, as we can see, there's all of these different product types, but we're working with an ebook today. So I'm just going to select it. What's the title of my ebook? I'm just going to put it in just like this. ChatGPT for small business owners. Click on next. Who is the author? We're just going to go with Success with Sam. Click on next. What is the subtitle of the book? I'm just going to put this: Learn simple strategies to use AI more effectively. Click on next. Ebook cover style, we're going to go with minimal and clean. Device display, in terms of what device do I want on the main cover image, we're going to go with an iPad. Background style, we're going to go with solid color. Text overlay, I don't want any text on the actual image other than the text in the ebook, so we're just going to go with no text. Click on next. And for this final step, it's going to ask you a couple different things. For example, how many different images do you want to make? So I'm going to say that I want to generate 4 different images so that I have a couple to choose from. And I can also take a screenshot of the ebook color scheme and put it in here. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to simply tell it that I want you to use a dark blue and green theme for the ebook cover. This is the same theme that is on the actual ebook over here. So we're just going to go with that and then click on generate. Okay guys, there we go. It's now come back with these 4 different main cover images that I'm going to be able to choose from. So I found this to be super helpful because the images that come back are really clean. There's always going to be some changes that you might need to make to them in terms of the text, but 99% of the time it's able to do a good job. But if you ever notice any issues, you're going to be able to come over here and generate all of your images again. But the one that I'm going to go with for the sake of this video is going to be this one over here. I would say that this one looks pretty decent. So what I'm going to do is just click on download and then go back over to Hostinger. I'm going to click on fast and easy, select the image. As you can see, it's now creating the text. It's analyzing the image and it should put all of the text in the right places. Okay, there we go. So everything has now been added. I'm just going to add the word ebook just like that. And I'm going to leave everything else the same for now. If you ever wanted to rephrase anything, you could just use the AI writer. But for this example, I would say that it looks okay. I'm going to change the price to what NotebookLM recommended. You don't have to use this price. Of course, it's slightly high. I would advise to bundle it with some other things, but for the sake of this video, we're going to go with this. In this section, this is where you're going to upload the PDF file that you got from Gamma. And for the most part, I would say that that is all you need to do. So for now, I'm just going to click on save and let's see exactly how the product page looks. So if we scroll down on the home page, we can see that the ebook has now been added in the right section. So yeah, this entire process of using NotebookLM is really straightforward when it comes to building a digital product, because just like that, as you saw, I didn't know what digital product I wanted to make, but now I'm in a position where I've got a landing page that people can actively go onto. And NotebookLM doesn't stop there, because it can also give you a promotion strategy as well. If you remember from the digital maker AI prompt that I generated, I told it that I want to use social media to get traffic. And because of that, NotebookLM has come back with different Instagram reels that I can make. And if I wanted to expand on this in any way, get more information, I'm going to be able to easily do that by typing in any question that I have in this box. But there we go. This is the step-by-step process that NotebookLM is going to take you through when it comes to building up a digital product business. And things don't stop there. NotebookLM is able to help you a lot more than just guiding you through the step-by-step process, because if there's anything that you might be confused on along the way, of course, as I said, you can ask a question. It's going to be able to come back. But if you're more of an audio, maybe visual learner, and you want to be able to watch a customized video that's going to answer your question, what you can do is come over here to the studio section. And this studio section is really powerful in terms of what it's able to do, because if you click into video overviews, as I said, you're going to be able to make a customized video that's going to answer any question that you might have. And to give you a basic example of what I'm talking about, let's say if you're confused on the entire process, everything I just walked you through, you can use NotebookLM to give you a second explanation of exactly how you're going to be able to do it. If I just type in a prompt like this, I could just tell it that I need an explanation on how to set up this ebook store step by step. You can give it more information, but I'm sure that you get the point as to what you're going to enter. And then you can just click on generate. And what it's going to do is that it's going to come back with the video, maybe within 5, maybe 10 minutes or so, because it's going to be completely customized using AI, and it's going to be well designed as well. So I'm going to play a short snippet of it just so that you guys get the point as to what you can go away and make with NotebookLM.
All right, today we're diving into something that honestly feels like a cheat code for entrepreneurs. It's an AI-powered blueprint designed to take that little idea in your head for a digital product and turn it into a full-blown business, step by step. Let's get into it. You know how it is. You get a flash of brilliance, a great idea for an ebook, an app, maybe a course. But then the floodgates open. What should I name it? How do I even build this thing? How on earth do I sell it? And suddenly that amazing idea just feels heavy.
But yeah, guys, that is a short snippet of what it's capable of doing. Of course, I only played around 20 seconds out of a almost 7-minute video, but I'm sure that you get the point as to what it's able to do. And these different videos, the reason why they're powerful is because they're free to make, and you're going to be able to do that over and over again if you're stuck on any part of the process. And I've got another video coming out real soon where I'm going to do a deep dive in the entire studio section. As you guys can see over here, there's all of these different features. We've got the audio overview, we've got reports, mind map, slide deck, infographic. There's so many different things that you can do to this when it comes to the world of digital products. So if you don't want to miss those videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm able to spend a little bit more time showing you some other ways that you're able to use AI to help you supercharge the success that you might see when it comes to building up a digital product store. You're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this, because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.